I was looking online for fire pits and found this great one at Lowe's. So we headed on over to the Lowe's Garden Center and found it. They had it in stock. So we rented a truck, brought it home, and then we unloaded it. It comes with a metal ring and just enough stones to create the actual fire pit. So here it is, all laid out in the yard and ready for us to get started. We got a fire pit kit from Lowe's and we are putting it together today.
First thing we had to do was stake out where we wanted it relative to the yard, because we're going to create a conversation pit around here, as well as an arbor with tables and chairs for entertaining. So we found the spot that we wanted. We measured it off. The kit from Lowe's is really a great kit. It comes with a metal ring, which is really good. And what I did is put the ring down and I put the level on it, and it's basically level. So this is a good spot that we picked. There's a lip on the ring that this sets down on the stones. So I figured set the ring first, do the first layer of stone around, take the ring off, and then put the others down and then set the ring in it. So I don't have to measure or do anything. And we're not going to dig out the center. We're just going to leave it grassy. Eventually, when we build a fire in there, it'll die anyways.
So Greg got to work laying the stone, and he just tucked those stones right under the lip, and around he went, and I helped out. And it was a perfect way to get the proper shape and the proper size. So once that first layer was set, we lifted up the ring. We were able to lay the second layer of stones, and we did stagger them, and then we put the ring in there again to adjust the rocks as needed. As you can see, we just kicked them into place, and then the kit makes a fire pit that is 3 bricks high, and we think that's perfect. We did the last level, put the ring in, and there it is. But if you did want it a little taller, Lowe's does sell the individual bricks, so you could make it higher. Greg built a fire, and check it out. We love it. We put some chairs around it. I think we're really going to enjoy using it with friends and family. We ordered a whole bunch of wood, and it's perfect to sip some hot tea or some cocoa right by the fire. And we definitely love the quality of this fire pit. We like the color of the rocks. We like the shape of the rocks. We wanted a nice round one. I think this is the perfect first step to our entertainment area. And that metal ring just gives it a finished look. So we couldn't be happier, because this DIY kit comes ready to assemble with all of the pieces to build your own fire pit, and the fire pit can be placed on an existing patio or landscape. It is a great focal point for the outdoor landscape, and it couldn't have been easier. And I think it took us a whole 15 minutes to put it together.